Okay, non-metals which is liquid at room temperature. Non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. That is, here I am explaining about knowledge-based questions. Knowledge-based questions. No. So this is non-metal react with non-metal is a liquid at room temperature. What is that answer? Bromine. Bromine is a liquid non-metal. What is metal? Liquid metal, that is mercury. Okay, liquid metal is mercury, liquid non-metal is bromine. So this is already you know very well about this. Let's go to the next question. Non-metals generally form. Non-metals will form what? Anions. Any non-metal you take, fluorine gains one electron and forms F minus. Fluorine gains one electron and forms F minus. This is fluorine. This is fluorine. But what about this? Fluoride. This is fluoride. Fluorine is different, fluoride is different. Fluorine is F, fluoride is F minus. Understand children? F anedemo fluorine atom, F minus anedindi fluoride ion. That is called as fluoride is a anion. This is anion. Suppose metals will form what? Cations. Metals lose their electrons will form cations. Non-metals gains that electrons will form anions. This is electronegative elements. Non-metals are electronegative elements. Metals are electropositive elements. What I am telling? Non-metals are electronegative elements. They form anions. Metals are electropositive elements. They form cations. Understanding? So this is about the second question. Next, which is the least conductor of heat? Which is the least conductor of heat? So lead is the least conductor of heat. Gold, platinum, silver, they are good conductors of heat, and this is the, should remember this question. Next, let's go to the next question. Which of the following metal can cut with the knife? Which of the following metal can cut with the knife? So answer is potassium. Okay now children, next. Metals have number of electrons in their outermost shell. See, sodium I am taking, sodium atomic number 11, here 281. This is the electronic configuration, shell method electronic configuration. Here in the valence shell, one electron is present. Valence shell means nothing but outermost shell. Outermost shell has one electron in sodium. In the same way, this is first one. Second one, magnesium. Atomic number 12, 282. Outermost shell, that means valence shell, 2 electrons are present. This is also outermost shell. So 2 electrons are present. Third one, aluminum. Atomic number 13. Loose. See, aluminum 283 electronic configuration. How many electrons are present here? 3 electrons are present. So this is how many electrons are there in the outermost shell? 3. So now question is, metal have how many number of electrons in the outermost shell? So sodium contains 1 electron, magnesium contains 2 electrons, aluminum contains 3 electrons, sodium contains 1 electron. So how many electrons are present here now? 1, 2, 3. So some metals 1, some metals 2, some metals 3. Understanding what I am telling? This is the question number 5. Which is the neutral oxide? NO2, MgO, H2O, none. So here answer is H2O. This is conceptual question. Next. ఏదో చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను కాదు, అందరూ కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ చదవాలి, అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, వినాలి. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ హైడ్రైడ్, commercially known as Hydrolith, very very important question this is. Hydrolith. Hydrolith is nothing but calcium hydride. Calcium hydride. This is calcium hydride. This is calcium hydride. This is should remember, this is common name is hydrolith and name is calcium hydride. This is the question number 7. Answer is Bombay. Next question. Which metal does not react with oxygen? Which metal does not react with oxygen? So copper, gold, or Ab and iron. Which is correct answer? So what is question here? Metal does not react with oxygen. See, answer is Bombay, correct. And also sometimes copper generally it is not reacted. Even though strong heating also not possible. It will not react. But prolonged heating only possible. Generally these two are also A, B also correct. So answer is, you can give the answer is A and B also. If they mention clearly prolonged if they give means definitely only answer is gold only. Because prolonged heating is, this is possible. Generally does not react with oxygen, this copper. By heating, strong heating also not possible, but prolonged heating it is possible. So right answer is gold and copper. Generally copper and gold answer. So option is, so finally we will give the answer for this. Answer is correct. Okay, next let's go to the next question. Non-metal have shining surface. Which is the shining surface? Answer is graphite. So 10th question. Non-metal semiconductor of property. See, generally semiconductors 4th year group elements in the periodic table. Silicon, germanium are the semiconductors of property. Semiconductors property. So answer is silicon is the answer. 10th question. Next, let's go to the metal has high melting point in the whole periodic table. Which is the highest high melting point? That is wolfram. Wolfram is the German name. This is German name. Total 10 elements are there, 9 elements are Latin names, only one element is there, that is German name. That is tungsten. In English, tungsten. That is tungsten. This tungsten, the German name is wolfram. German name is what? Wolfram. So answer is W. Then highest melting point is wolfram, that is tungsten. This non-metal is a best conductor of electricity. Which is the non-metal best conductor of electricity? Graphite is a non-metal and best conductor of electricity. This is already repeated question only. Magnesium is used in flash bulbs and Grignard reagent and electron alloy. So electron is a alloy. Actually here capital letter this is ELEKTRON. This is correct. ELEKTRON. Electron. This is a alloy. So which metal is present? Magnesium is present. And Grignard reagent we will use magnesium metal. Flash bulbs also magnesium metal is used. So answer is all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Right, next question. In the reaction, metal react with oxygen and forms metal oxide. So that is superoxide. See, what is that? So potassium and sodium also. Sodium react with oxygen and forms NaO2. Superoxide. Right. Next, potassium if I take reacts with oxygen and forms KO2. See, what is superoxide? Superoxide, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. The oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. That is called as superoxide. Normal oxide is 1 oxygen charge is -2. Peroxide is 1 oxygen charge is -1. This is oxide. This is oxide. Peroxide is -1. Superoxide is minus of. So here potassium charge is K plus 1. Potassium charge is plus 1. Then automatically total 2 oxygens are there. Then 2 oxygens charge how much? 2 oxygens charge how much? This is plus 1 amma. This is minus 1. So 2 oxygens charge how much? Minus 1. 1 oxygen charge how much? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Once again, see once. Potassium reacts with oxygen and forms KO2. KO2. Okay. Then potassium is always plus 1. Potassium is always plus 1. 2 oxygen charge, then automatically minus 1 because equal charges. Then 1 potassium charge is plus 1. 2 oxygen charge is minus 1. So 1 oxygen charge is how much? Minus of. This is called as superoxide. This is superoxide. So, sir, what about sodium? Sodium, potassium, when top to bottom, peroxide nature increases. Sodium నుంచి పొటాషియంకి పెరాక్సైడ్ నేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆప్షన్ అడిగితే సింగిల్ కరెక్ట్ అయితే పొటాషియం ఇవ్వాలి. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ కే. అదే టూ కరెక్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, మల్టీ కరెక్ట్ అనుకోండి, సో అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ సోడియం పొటాషియం అవుద్ది. సో నేను చెప్పేది సింగిల్ కరెక్ట్ అయితే కనుక ఒకటే ఆన్సర్, అది పొటాషియం. అది 2 ఆన్సర్స్ అయితే సోడియం కూడా వస్తుంది. కానీ టాప్ టు బాటమ్ పెరాక్సైడ్ నేచర్ కానీ సూపర్ ఆక్సైడ్ నేచర్ కానీ పెరాక్సైడ్ నేచర్ కానీ సూపర్ ఆక్సైడ్ నేచర్ ఏమవుద్ది? ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుద్ది. సో అందుకనే ఇక్కడ పెరాక్సైడ్ నేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్, సూపర్ ఆక్సైడ్ నేచర్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుద్ది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ది క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 14. Reaction metal react with oxygen MO2 superoxide. So potassium is the answer, correct answer. 2 answers అయితే sodium కూడా అవుద్ది. So main answer is this is correct. Next, let's go to the next question. The most malleable metal. The most malleable metal is what? Most malleable metal is gold. So this is a conceptual question. Okay. Right, let's go to the next question. The constituent of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin which metal is? Iron, sodium, copper, magnesium? Answer is you know that iron. So hemoglobin percent iron is present. So next question. Pure gold is equal to 24 karat gold. This is general question. Next. Which of the following metal is less reactive? Copper, barium, magnesium, lead. Copper is automatically answer is least reactive. Why it is least reactive? Because according to the reactivity series, copper is less reactive. So answer is first option. Which of the following metal react with vigorously with oxygen? So vigorously react with oxygen. So that is already conceptual question. Sodium is the answer, C. Next, the metal which is used for making foils. Already you know this is conceptual question only. Yes or no? Answer is C only. Are you understanding what I am telling, students? So this is answer. 20th question, answer is C. Okay na? The most abundant metal in the earth crust. Most abundant metal. So answer is aluminum, A. Next, the second most abundant metal, that is iron. That is answer is D. You should by heart these answers, just you have to remember. Let's go to the next question. Which of the following is the sulfide ore? Sulfide ore is what? Copper glans. This is Cu2S, copper glans. Next, which of the following highest electropositive? Electropositive elements are positive ions only. Electropositive, positive ions, that is there in the question only. Next, metals have hydrogen's activity. So metals react with acids and produces what? Metal chloride plus hydrogen gas. So answer is hydrogen gas should be compulsory, and they react with acids. Metals react with acids and liberates hydrogen gas. Answer is Bombay. Okay na? Volatile metals are purified by distillation process. Volatile metals are purified by distillation process. Okay na? Next question. Which of the following gas is lighter? So here atomic weight is 1, so total 2 grams atomic weight. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, atomic weight also 1. 2 hydrogens, atomic weight is, molecular weight is 2. Sulfur dioxide 32, sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 16, 2 oxygen 32. So total how much it is? 64. And oxygen, this is equal to 32. And NO2, nitrogen dioxide, 14 plus 32. So how much it is? 46. So which is the lighter weight? Answer is A. 27th answer is A. Amalgam. See, remember amalgam, how it forms? Mercury reacts with any metal. Mercury reacts with any metal and forms amalgam. Mercury reacts with any metal and forms what? Amalgams. So this is about question number 28. Duralumin. Duralumin is the alloy of what? Aluminium only. Duralumin is the alloy of aluminium. This is question number 29. And which of the following is ferrous alloy? Ferrous alloy, which alloy is having iron, that is called as ferrous alloy. ఏం ఎల్లాయిలో అయితే ఐరన్ అనే మెటల్ ఉంటుందో అది ఫెర్రస్ ఎల్లాయ్ లేదా ఐరన్ ఎల్లాయ్. స్టీల్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్? ఐరన్ ప్లస్ కార్బన్. ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ brass, copper, zinc. Here lead and tin, magnesium, magnesium, aluminium, these metals are present. Alloy, magnesium, manganese, aluminium, these metals are present. So no iron in this case, no iron in this case, no iron in this case. So answer is steel only. Which metal is higher in the activity series? So answer is potassium only. This is according to the reactivity series. Next, food cans are coated with the tin but not zinc, because zinc is more reactive than tin. Zinc is more reactive than tin. So answer is that only, because zinc is more reactive. That's why food cans are coated with the tin only but not zinc metal. Not zinc metal, because zinc is more reactive. So when element M, first year group elements that reacts with water. So metal react with water, first year group element. This is first year group element. Then what will form? MOH plus H2 gas. This is about the 33 question. Answer is C only. First year group element MOH. Children, today's class worksheet 4 I completed. All of you complete this worksheet questions. Everyone read the question and see that answer. That all answers see once. Which option is suitable to that given question? ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఏ ఆప్షన్ ఆ క్వశ్చన్కి సూటబుల్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. క్లారిటీగా చూస్తే కనుక మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థం అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో ఎవరైతే కాన్సెప్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చదువుతారో ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ 1-2 సార్లు చదివితే ఆ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్గా క్వశ్చన్కి క్లియర్గా తెలుస్తుందన్నమాట. చిల్డ్రన్, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా వర్క్షీట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయండి. నేను అడుగుతాను ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ మీరందరూ కూడా ఈ వర్క్షీట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి, చదవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో నేను అడుగుతాను, అందరు కూడా చెప్పాలి, అందరు కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? ఈ వర్క్షీట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నాలెడ్జ్ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, వర్క్షీట్ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ అందరూ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. రేపు అందరూ కూడా చదువుకొని రావాలి. లేకపోతే మీరు చదవకపోతే మాత్రం బాగోదు. అందరూ కూడా చదవండి. సో అందరు కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. ఎగ్జామ్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను, మీరు అందరూ కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాల్సిందే. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.